Hey guys! Oh, I hate doing intros. They're so, I don't know. I'm just gonna say hi. My name is Blanca. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my October favorites. I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So grab a snack, grab some coffee. Yeah, I should grab a coffee actually. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to like this video before you leave. Let's get right into this video. I'm excited to show you guys everything because everything is just amazing and you guys need this in your life. I'm telling you. About a month ago or so, I came home and I had a big box on my dining room table, and it was from Marc Anthony, their hair care line, and I screamed. I was not expecting that package, and so when I opened up the box, I saw all of this. And I was so happy. I had been looking at the shampoo at Walmart a couple weeks before, and I just didn't get it because I already had shampoo, and I was like, when I run out of shampoo, this is what I'm going to purchase. It was kind of crazy that it came in the mail like a couple weeks later. So one of my favorite shampoos now is the Marc Anthony ByeBye Frizz shampoo and conditioner. This stuff, you guys, is so good. It leaves my hair silky, soft. I have frizzy hair no matter how much I flat iron it. If it's cloudy outside, if a little raindrop hits my hair, it just goes poof. So I've been trying this out. The shampoo is actually done. I still have some conditioner left. I'm actually going this week to purchase some more of this because it has just done amazing things for my hair. My hair just feels super soft, very silky. The frizziness is gone. I have a lot of flyaways, and yeah, I just feel like my hair looks amazing. It's all thanks to these guys. Plus, I also use the leave-in conditioner when my hair is damp. So I shampoo and condition my hair with that, and then I add my leave-in conditioner once I have towel dried my hair, and then I will add this guy, which is a keratin smoothing blow dry cream. It creates sleek and smooth frizz-free hair with Abyssinian oil. I suck at pronouncing things. I add this to my hair. I distribute it evenly all throughout my hair, and then I just blow dry my hair, or I just let it air dry. Once it's air dry, I go ahead and flat iron it, and then I put in this, which is a 8-in-1 serum. It reduces frizz, strengthens, protects, humidity shields, smooths, repairs, and moisturizes your hair. So I just add this from here down to my ends, and it's just a nice oil to add to your hair, and like I said, it leaves your hair feeling amazing. I definitely recommend the ByeBye Frizz line by Marc Anthony. You can pick it up at Walmart. Like, doesn't my hair look, I feel like it looks really nice, better than it ever has. It's so silky smooth, no frizz, and it just feels so soft and healthy. I'm in love. So thank you to Marc Anthony. Not the singer, but you guys know what I mean. The company for sending me these products. Another product that I've been loving and I talked about on my Instagram, and you guys have probably seen it all over Instagram, is the Carbon Cocoa toothpaste and the charcoal powder. A lot of you guys are messaging me asking me if it actually worked, and I just told you guys, like, I don't know yet, but I started using it like all the time, and I did notice that my teeth are pretty white. I'm pretty much done the toothpaste. As you could see, there's barely any left. As for the powder, I still have a lot left. The only thing that I don't like about this powder is that it's super messy. So if you do plan on getting this, I have a coupon code, by the way, if you guys are interested in using it. It'll save you 15% off. I'm pretty sure it's still active. I'll have to look into that, but I will put the link on my screen right here, or I'll just leave it down below. Like in the videos, I don't know how those girls are brushing their teeth, like powder's all in their mouth, and they're not making a mess. The first time I used this, I created a huge mess. What I would recommend you doing if you are going to get this, when you use the powder, get really low into the sink and brush your teeth. That way when you spit it out, it just goes down into the drain and you're not getting it like all over the place. And I would also recommend using this before you go to sleep because it does leave a grayish black residue on your teeth, but by the morning it's gone. When you wake up in the morning and you brush your teeth again, like before work or whatever, the gray residue is gone. So yeah, that's why I would recommend doing this at nighttime, because if you were to do it in the morning, you're gonna end up going to work with gray teeth, and that's not good. Another product I've been loving is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I used my Sephora points to get this tiny little sample. This is 0.5 ounces. It's pretty much like a white balm. It's empty now, but you just rub it on your face and it just melts into a creamy consistency. It kind of reminds me of coconut oil, but this leaves your face, once you wash it off, it leaves your face feeling super soft and kind of plumpy and just nice and moisturized. This takes off my mascara, my eyeliner, it takes off all my makeup. I freaking love this stuff. It's amazing. So I bought a bigger tub of this. I'm actually waiting for it to arrive in the mail. So again, this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. It works amazing and it takes your makeup off like that. Okay, moving on to makeup now. I don't have that much makeup to show you guys, but I do have quite a bit actually. Never mind, I do. So I totally forgot that I owned the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in soft ochre. It just looks like this. And I recently started using it again. So it just looks like that. And what it is just a primer for your eyelids. You put it on before putting on your eyeshadow. And I started using it again. I noticed that my eyeshadow just blended out beautifully, easily, and it just lasted all day long. It made my eyeshadow just look very bright. It just blended very nicely and evenly. And I was like, why did I stop using this? Why? If you have trouble blending out your eyeshadows, or you just find that the shades are not popping like you want them to, or they're not lasting on your eyelids, try this. You will notice that it definitely makes a difference. So another item that I have been loving is my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. I stopped using the Anastasia pomade just because I found that it was making my eyebrows look too intense, and I do have quite like a heavy hand. When I do my makeup, I for some reason tend to press a little hard on my brushes, and so I was just finding that my eyebrows were looking too intense. So I decided to try this, and this is amazing, you guys. So it's got a whole bunch of shades, so it'll be good if you have lighter brows or if you have even darker brows. They're powders, by the way, and then at the bottom you have the wax. So I tend to use these two shades right here for my brows, and then I use the wax, which is also colored, and I apply it just a tiny bit just to darken it up or sharpen up my brows. I use this mainly for the tail. And then I even place a little bit of this shade just at the start of my brows just to kind of fade them out a little bit so they don't look too harsh. This is pretty affordable and you can get it at bhcosmetics.com. So I am not the greatest at wing liner. I still have to use tape in order to do my wings. I'm not ashamed. If you have trouble doing wing liner, I recommend you using a piece of tape just so you can get that nice, crisp, sharp line, and it definitely will help you out. Trust me, I do it all the time, and I also clean it up with concealer. So just a little tip. I purchased the Kat Von D black liquid liner, and it has changed my wing game. I have found that this applicator is amazing. So small and precise, you can just really wing out your wings. It's so easy to use. So if you are having trouble with wing liner, try the Kat Von D Tattoo liquid liner. It's amazing. It dries black, it dries matte, it's very dark, and It's precise. Like it's so good. Definitely recommend this liquid liner. I'm not sure if I've included this in a favorites video. I'm pretty sure I already have, but I wasn't 100% sure. But I stopped using it. I don't know why. I mean, I still kind of did, but not as often as before. I just recently started using it again just every single day, and that is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm wearing it right now. It's full coverage. It leaves your face looking flawless. I do find that it does oxidize a tiny bit, but I don't mind because I feel like it matches my skin tone better anyways, since I have been self-tanning, so I find that it just blends in really nicely. It gives such a nice finish in photos. You get like a nice airbrush look. It's amazing. It is a little bit heavy, but I don't mind because I am a full coverage kind of girl. So if you have not tried this foundation, you are missing out. I will leave a link to a video where I reviewed this. My makeup looks horrible in it. I don't know what I was thinking. I needed to blend more. So just ignore my makeup in that video, but I will link it up here or down below. So for liquid lipsticks, I have been loving the combo that I'm wearing right now. As you guys know, every girl loves a good nude lip. I'm no different, and I love this combo together. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm, so it just looks like this. It's a nice dark kind of brownish nude shade, and then I pair it with the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color by Rimmel, and this is in the shade Latte to Go. These two mixed together are beautiful. I'm wearing it right now on my lips. I love this combo. It's beautiful, and I'm loving it. I am all for a good nude lip. So if you are looking for a nice warm nude lip, definitely recommend these guys. I've been wearing it every single day of October. So I have one more item to show you guys. I have been loving this highlighter by Burberry. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and it's a fresh glow highlighter illuminating powder. It's by Burberry. This stuff is amazing. I don't know, I put it away because, you know, you get new products, you get new makeup products, and then you just forget about certain products, and then one day you start opening up your drawer, you start going through your makeup, and you're like, oh yeah, I really used to love this. Why did I stop using it? I don't know. I decided to pop this out and start using it again. This color is so beautiful. It's like a beautiful rose gold. That's what that looks like. I don't want to waste it. It just illuminates your skin, and I freaking love it. Once you know, a couple hours have gone by, I noticed that it kind of just starts to melt into your skin. It's not powdery. It doesn't emphasize texture. It's the nicest, most beautiful highlights ever, and I definitely recommend this if you are looking for a rose gold kind of highlight. So this concludes my October favorites. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you guys try out some of these products. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!